What's good, YouTube? It's Naya from Meck and Naya, and we're gonna be doing a reaction video to DDG
Big
diss
Boat.
track. It's a diss track, right?
It's called Big Boat.
Big
Lil
Boat.
Yachty bitch.
And I'm with Mama Tina
Hey, it's Justine from It's Justine's World.
and
You already know it's your girl Marisha from the M&K show.
alright, and we're gonna get started and look at the video.
That's always.
Pootie and
It's DDG. I don't know no SKT. Boy, quit playing. You know you a fan of me. Iced out.
Ooh, pour water on.
wait a minute, can you pause that? Alright, I just wanted to say something. Okay, first of all, I love the beat. It's very catchy, so you'll be able to vibe to it.
Right.
But did he just say my neck
Look like P.
look like P?
It's DDG. I don't know no SKT. Right.
But he said my neck look like P. What are you talking about?
Right.
Are you
He
serious?
trying to say because his diamonds is his chain yellow. P. So he's saying it
Oh,
look like
it's
P,
yellow,
and
it's
then
like
he poured the water on. It's like I don't know.
Girl, bye. Talking about P. Yellow P. All right.
Okay, come on.
Fuck yeah. I ain't broke, bitch. I'm bustin'. This me back and I'm gonna feature Joe Budden. DJ Academic.
Ooh, this nigga say he gonna feature me. They
Joe
had beef or
Budden.
something.
I'm fucking.
Wait, hold on. Pause it.
My page. About your album, I have nothing to say.
You let it go by too far. Wait a minute. Who's India?
India Love.
Oh, India
Ooh.
Love. I know her from Instagram.
Yeah.
So this is who Lil Yachty talking to?
I guess, or used to talk to, or I don't
Still
know.
talking to?
Right, something.
All right. Okay.
I did not know that.
So that means Joe Budden and Lil Yachty must have had beef before.
yeah,
He was like,
yeah,
this is how
I'm a feature
Joe Budden. Must okay.
Ooh, this is some good tea.
Oh my God, this is good. Okay, come on.
Take a nigga fast, take a nigga base.
Ooh.
You don't know me, you gon' know me today. Harley. Sorry. Bitch, I'm gnarly. Ain't from the D, but the buffies on my card.
Hey.
He was lit.
Nigga out his motherfucking socks. You only poppin' because this say like Fox.
Hey.
While you boasting, you should stop.
Ooh, you say
Hella
boosting.
ugly and your head built like a mop.
How did you say
Ass Cheeto.
Cheeto?
Dude said his head been like a mop.
Bitch, I'm popping middle finger to your ego.
Who he said?
But you know it should be Frito. It's DDG.
I don't know no SKT. Boy, quit playing. You know you a fan of me.
Iced out.
And my neck look like P.
P.
You don't know me.
Alright, nigga, we gon' see.
I ain't broke, bitch, I'm buzzing.
He is buzzing.
I'm a feature Joe Budden. DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking.
Hey.
Oh, hold on, wait.
Collect my pay.
Because he said DJ Academics gonna report something. Cause he just put up a video like DJ Academics dissed him or something. I just saw that on YouTube.
Is DJ Academic a reporter?
You DJ, ain't he?
Why we say he'll report something?
Yeah, I don't
Right.
know.
Okay, I may be
Maybe
slow,
because-
but I'm just saying.
I don't know.
Is he like a gossip person?
He probably
Like a
telling all the
tea
stuff.
tender?
Yeah.
Oh.
Probably something like Shade Room or something. like that. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
But
and then I also noticed that what DDG said I really like was make a vid and I collect my pay. Hey, you right
He
about
said,
that?
no, he said about your album, I have nothing to say.
Right.
I'm sitting here like, what album? I didn't even know Lil Yachty had that.
I think he had a song that
I
was
know a
kinda,
couple of his songs.
Yeah,
It ain't-
but
I don't know none of his
no
songs.
album.
I ain't never listened to him.
I know his songs.
and his hair
But no,
look
I
like
his
what?
albums ain't got nothing to
But
say.
why he say his hair look like Cheetos? I'm thinking Flaming Hots.
Yeah. He said
Hot
dirty
crunchy
Cheetos.
curls.
Yeah.
He said dirty Cheetos. I never seen dirty Cheetos.
Flaming Hots. I'm thinking Flaming Hots when he say Cheetos.
Okay, let me see.
Okay.
About your album, I have nothing to say. Take a nigga fast, take a nigga base. You don't know me, you gon' know me today.
Hey, you said you don't know me, you gonna know me.
Hey,
Hey,
look at him. He just sit back
Yeah, y'all know what it is.
If you don't know me, you gonna know me today.
So what y'all think?
I like it.
I like it too.
I like it too.
I like the beat. I like how he letting them know I'm not a lame.
Yeah,
you know,
like, I ain't lame.
I got
Like,
this,
I'm
I got
DDG.
that.
He like, I'm DDG. I don't know SKT.
Right.
Yeah.
Like,
And then he's showing that he's not no lame. You know,
Yeah.
he's showing his little go-yard bag and sitting on his IA, standing on there like it's nothing.
yeah,
He said make a bid
and I
Collect my pay.
Now how many of them
Yeah.
collecting they pay off?
DDG, you snapped on this one.
I like it. I like it. I
Anybody who
think
don't
you
like
did good.
this, y'all, I don't know what
Crazy.
y'all listen to.
Yeah. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna download this song and play it in my car.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it on my phone.
Like, I
Is
want
it
this to be
on,
my ringer, my ringtone. Like, I just want this.
I want the part to be like, and I collect my pay.
Right.
I don't know.
I like it. I think it's
I got this other song off Apple Music. The there's
Oh,
no
it's
big
on
one.
here.
It's on Apple
No,
Music.
no, it ain't. No,
Dang, I thought it was on
it
here.
said it though, but
It
it ain't.
did.
on there.
People just probably be looking at it.
Yeah, let me see.
He's
Yeah.
Dirty ass
Cheetos. Dia said you annoying like mosquitoes.
bitch, I'm popping middle finger
To your ego. Fuck your ego.
Tip for album, but you know it should be free though.
DDG, I don't know no SKT. You a fan of me?
My neck look like
P. Alright, nigga, we gon' see. I ain't broke, I'm buzzing.
this big bag.
And I'm a feature Joe Budden.
hey.
DJ academics go
Report something.
somebody tell me
India that I'm.
fucking.
Hey, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say.
No.
Take a nigga fast.
Take a nigga base.
Hey.
You gon' know me today. Yeah. Hey. Hey.
You don't know me, you gonna know me today.
Look at this nigga, I see cheese.
Good one, DDG. Good one.
That was a good one for real.
Yeah, you snapped on that. But yeah, I like the video. I think it's dope. Like I'll listen to that. That's like
Yeah.
song of the year.
Cause think about it, all these other artists be making songs that don't got nothing to do with nothing. They be
Right. Or I hear a lot of songs come out that
You
don't
really-
make sense.
Yeah, you really made a little good come up off that
real.
tweet he made.
For
That
real.
was that was
That was lit.
If you need any backup dancers, you know.
Right.
Let us know because we'll be your hype man.
Right.
Yeah, that. Don't forget about me.
Right.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh,
Okay.
DDG say he like the auntie. She a auntie.
Somebody else.
And-